Welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is major scale. Our topic is major scale. A scale is a succession of 8 notes, that is, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Types of scale. Number 1, major scale. Number 2, minor scale. Number 3, pentatonic scale. Number 4, chromatic scale. And number 5, diatonic scale. A diatonic scale is a kind of scales that is built on tone and semitone. A major scale, likewise, is built on tone-tone semitone, tone-tone-tone semitone pattern. From do to re is a tone. From re to mi is a tone. From mi to fa is semitone. From fa to sol is a tone. From sol to la is a tone. From la to ti is a tone. From ti to do is semitone, using the key of C major. The first degree or starting note is called the do, home note, key note, or tonic. Each note of the scale is called degree. There are 7 degrees to each major scale. Do is the first degree. Re is the second degree. Mi is the third degree. Fa is the fourth degree. Sol is the fifth degree. La is the sixth degree. And Ti is the seventh degree. Semitones comes between 3 to 4 degree and 7 to 8 degrees. All others are tones. You can use the above tone-tone semitone, tone-tone-tone semitone pattern to build any major scale, starting from any given key. A tetrachord is a short note consisting of 4 notes. There are 2 types of tetrachord. One, upper tetrachord, and the second one, lower tetrachord. Each of the major scales are built on tetrachord. Do, re, mi, fa is a lower tetrachord, while sol, la, ti, do is the upper tetrachord. From the scale of C major in the diagram below, we have C, D, E, F as lower tetrachord and G, A, B, C as the upper tetrachord. What is time signature? A time signature are 2 figures placed above each other to indicate the distribution or notes in each bar. The simplest groups of beats contain 2, 3, or 4. 2, 4. This is 2 crochet beats in a bar, that is, 1 beat in 2 places. 1, 1, 1, 2. Then 3, 4. This is 3 crochet beats in a bar, that is, 1 beat in 3 places. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 4. This is 4 crochet beats in a bar, that is, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. A key signature is a group of sharp or flat symbols placed immediately after the clef to indicate the key of any given piece or composition. C major has no sharp, no flat. G major has one sharp, that is F sharp. D major has two sharps, that is F sharp, C sharp. A major has three sharps, that is F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. F major has one flat, that is B flat. B flat major has two flats, that is B flat, E flat. E flat major has three flats, that is B flat, E flat, and A flat. So that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class.